it's Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul. Is it midweek? Yes, midweek haul for you guys. I am so late. Like, I only have today to knock this out. But I must say this, y'all. I ain't even going front. Like, I haven't been going to Walmart that much. Like, I don't be trying to go to Walmart unless I absolutely have to. And I remember back in the day, I would go every day. I would be at Walmart every day. I'd have to go in there with my little time card. Like, let me clock the hell in, because that's how much I was there. I was probably there more than a lot of the employees was there. Like, I was there nonstop. I was there. Like, lately, I ain't been at it's so hot. I could feel the sweat going between I could feel the sweat just dribbling down, so let me hurry up. I only go to Walmart when I need to do a video. So literally, like, no more than 3 times a week, which might be a lot for some of y'all, but for me, that's nothing. I do every day. And so for my midweek, I need 15 offers for $3. I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit that, but I'll see what I could do. I feel like I'm yelling. Let me simmer down. And so I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit that. I figure if I could go to CVS and do cereal, I feel like I'm yelling again. Simmer down. If I go to CVS and do cereal and go to Dollar Tree and do the gummies, I could probably hit that. Let me pat dry. It's hot here, y'all. Look, it's 93 degrees in SoCal. It's hot. I might be able to hit that. I might be able to pull it off. We did get the Clorox offers back on the sister apps. I was hoping it would pop up on checkout 51, but we do have that 2 off of 2. It does work for the scentivas, which is cool. I have printables that I plan to use. I might have to order more though. I'll pop up my IP person right here. I have 2 of them. Okay, those are my go-tos. And so other than that, we're gonna head to Walmart first, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If I need to go to CVS and Dollar Tree, I'll be there as well too. If I didn't say subscribe, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. Without further ado, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Alright, yeah, so this first deal is on the Idaho instant potatoes. This offer popped up on Fetch Reward, getting back 70 cents. I see the cheapest one they have here is priced at $1.44. So getting back 70 cents on Fetch would make that 74 cents. I believe the limit on this is a limit of, it's either 3 or 5. I'll pop it up. They actually might have these at Dollar Tree, so I would check there as well. It would make it a little cheaper. So next up is the Kraft mac and cheese. It's on the jalapeno and the ranch flavors. This offer popped up for us on Fetch Reward, getting back $1.95. They're on rollback for $1, so it makes it a 95-cent moneymaker. Now this one did reset for me. So I did it one day. It was $1.95 back, limit of 3. It reset the next day, $1.50 back, limit of 3, and then it reset again the next day with a limit of 1 for $1.95. So it's definitely not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is on the Sargento cheese bakes. I wanted to try this deal because I did find $2 coupons at Vons, which is a Safeway affiliate. And so I wanted to see if it was going to work. The limit on Ibotta is only a limit of 1, so I grabbed 1 at $4.68. I used the $2 coupon and scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. You'll end up paying $2.68, getting back $2 on Ibotta. I did get that back. I'm bringing this down to only 68 cents. All right, so I'm also going to be grabbing the Wasa multigrain crackers. I did see Sister Saving You Cents post this in one of their last videos. Now, this is a Merryfield offer. I'm super close to cashing out, and so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. They are priced at $3.92. Getting back 2 on Merryfield brings it down to $1.92, which is definitely not the greatest of deals. But nonetheless, it'll give me a cash out. So, yeah. So my next deal is on the Little Brainiac. This is an offer on Social Nature and Isle. So for this, we're gonna grab 2 of them, priced at $2.28. That total is going to come to $456. There's a buy one get one free offer through Social Nature, and there's a buy one and it's free on aisle. So basically, they'll both be free. And so yeah. Next up is the Purina dog chow. It's priced at $1.76. Getting back $1 on Ibotta brings it down to 76 cents. Guys, so we're gonna be doing the Clorox scentiva. It popped back up on the sister apps. Now last time I did the deal with the toilet bowl cleaner, I think I did it on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, Tada, and on EasyBucks. I did on all of them. Only one I didn't do was Upromise, which is it's another sister app. Justin reminded me of it. Like, I remember signing up for it. And so I'm going to be doing this deal on there since that's the only app that I have, the toilet bowl one. Their price of $2.68. Now, I do have these $2 off of 2 printables that I got last time that we did this deal. So after the coupon, you'll pay $3.36, getting back $2.50 on the sister apps, bringing them down to 43 cents each. And I went ahead and grabbed 4 on 1 receipt, which is a really awesome deal. Now there's also a 2 off of 2 back on checkout 51. It did work for me last time, and so that's also an option. All right, next up is the Scentiva wipes. These are priced at $5.78. So for this, grabbing 2 of them would be $11.56. With that $2 off of 2 printable. I'll pop up who I got them from, as a matter of fact. And so that'll bring the total down to $9.56. Getting back 5 on the sister apps will bring them down to $2.28 each, which is not necessarily bad because these are actually pretty big. And then there's also the spray, which is priced at $5.12. So grabbing 2 of them is going to be $10.24. After that $2 printable, you'll pay $8.24, getting back 5 on the sister apps. It brings these down to only $1.62 each. I was going to do the bleach, but they don't have any. It's on the Scentiva one. They are priced at $5.72. So 2 of them is going to be $11.44. Using that $2 printable, you'll pay $9.44, getting back 6 on the sister apps. It'll make them $1.72 each, which I think is a really awesome deal. And so I'm hoping that they restock before the deal is no longer valid and the coupon expires, because I think my coupons expire on the 30th. And so yeah, right, so I wanted to mention this deal. I did see somebody post it on Instagram. It's a Lysol OTC. Now this one is associated with your phone number, so obviously it's gonna be a limit of 1. Normally with OTCs, it's through your email address, and so it's as many email addresses as you have, and so it's $2.50 back. They have, or up to $2.50 back. And so it could make for a small money maker on some of the toilet bowl cleaners. You could even get the wipes down here as well, which I actually might just do. I'm trying to put together some little bundles, and so I might grab that. But I want to see if the OTC is going to work. And so I will let you guys know. So my next deal is on, there's a rebate on Ibotta for 15 cents off of any chocolate. And so I think the cheapest ones they might have are the 88 cents great value ones. I'm thinking I'll probably check clearance and see if I can find any over there. But if you grab one at 88 cents, get back 15 cents on Ibotta, makes them 73 cents each. So next up is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, priced at $3.98. Now I did do this 2 different ways. You could grab 1 at $3.98, get back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on checkout 51, and 2 on Swagbucks. Makes it a $2.02 moneymaker. Now I did that on both my account as well as Joseph's checkout 51 account. And then it reset on Ibotta again. So I'm going to be grabbing 1 of them. I'm going to try using the $2 printable from coupons.com. You'll end up paying $1.98 and then getting back 2 on Ibotta. Makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. Limit on Ibotta is limit of 3. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab 3 of these. I'll use 2 of these printables. Get back 6 on Ibotta. 2 on one of the sister apps. So it'll still make them all free after rebates and coupons. And so we'll see how that works out. All right, guys, this is our complete haul for today. Please excuse my little human being in the next room. Okay, I apologize in advance for any sudden outbursts that you might hear. And so this is our haul for today. Worked out good. I did hit my midweek, which is cool. Y'all know I ain't been hitting my bonuses. So it feels good to remember what it, is like to actually hit a bonus. I was able to do the Sargento twice, yesterday and today at Reset. Coupons working perfectly fine, getting back the $2. Today was my first time submitting a receipt on Upromise. That is another sister app. So now we have 6. Well, for Upromise has been around for a minute though, because I remember signing up before, but I couldn't remember the email address. I couldn't remember nothing. So I signed up again and got $5. So I figured, let me do a $5 deal, hit 10, cash out. Only thing is you have to link your bank account. PayPal is not an option on there. They do have some gift cards, but I don't think it's as many as we have on the other sister apps. And so I want to try it out. Once that receipt processes, I'll cash out and let you know how that works out. The other receipt for the spray, I did that on Swagbucks and it went straight through. But the receipt for the toilet bowl cleaner is still processing. I did have to go to CVS to do the cereal. I wanted to do Kellogg as well. The only one that's working for that offer on Ibotta is the Frosted Flakes, and they only had 1 box. And so I didn't do that deal. Now with the Reese's Puffs, I thought I was going to get a 50-cent bonus, but I didn't. So it makes those 98 cents for the 2, or 49 cents each, which is still not bad. And I went to Dollar Tree for the Albanese gummies. Now I saw somebody post on Instagram. There's another one. It's the berry flavor. Bears. There's an offer for that on Ibotta too for 50 cents, but I couldn't find that one. If it happens to reset tomorrow, I'll probably do it again. Maybe. We'll see if my bonus looks good. So everything you see here retails $89.12. We had $20.50 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $68.62. My sales tax was $6.22. Getting back $15.65 from Ibotta, $12.30 from Fresh Reward. Swagbucks is $12. I did cash out for Brand Club for $10.80. I sync my my account and do a lot of surveys. I do them every day pretty much. And so anywhere between 50 to, 50, 45, and 40 cents. And so that adds up. So I did cash out for $10.86 on there. Upromise is $5. Checkout 51 is $4. Merryfield was $2. My Points is $2. And last but not least, Easy Bucks was $2. So we walk away with a total of $65.81. It nets everything at $2.81, or only 8 cents per item, which is definitely not bad. Other than that, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way out the door. And the comments, what is one of your favorite deals this week? Mine is the scentiva. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, don't forget to smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.